What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the randomly shuts off issue in MagicOS 8. So to fix this issue, first of all check your phone's volume key and power key. So if there is any dust or anything else stuck in the keys, then clean the keys, and after cleaning, the shuts off issue will be fixed. But after cleaning, if you are still facing the same issue, then open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on accessibility features. Now in accessibility features, tap on scheduled power on or off option, and then if you have enabled scheduled power on off button, then turn it back off, and after turning off this button, the randomly shuts off issue will be fixed. But after turning off this button, if you are still facing the same issue, then the last solution is open settings one more time. Now scroll down to the end and here click on system and updates, and then tap on reset. Now here tap on reset network settings, and then again tap on this reset network settings option to confirm. So when you will tap on this option here, it will reset all your mobile network settings, but it will not delete any data from your phone. And after resetting the network settings, the randomly shuts off issue will be 100% fixed. So that's how you can fix the randomly shuts off issue in MagicOS 8. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.